In Ethernet ring topologies, loops can lead to major issues like broadcast storms and unmanageable congestion. Unlike traditional tree topologies, rings require specialized protocols to maintain loop-free operations. That's where the G.8032 Ethernet Ring Protection Protocol (ERP) comes in. It ensures efficient loop prevention and fast convergence times, making it critical for high-performance networks. G.8032 provides an alternative to Spanning Tree Protocol (STP), specifically designed for Ethernet ring topologies. Instead of disabling redundant paths across the entire network like STP, G.8032 keeps the ring open but blocks only one link to prevent loops. It monitors the ring using control messages and reacts quickly, typically within 50 milliseconds, if a failure is detected. Here's how it works. G.8032 designates a ring protection link, RPL, which is blocked under normal conditions. Ring automatic protection switching, APS, messages are used to monitor the health of the network. If a failure occurs, G.8032 unblocks the RPL, restoring connectivity seamlessly. This allows for loop-free Ethernet rings while maintaining redundancy and fast failover. Think of the network as a train system on a circular track. Normally, one section of the track is closed to prevent a collision, loop, but if a part of the track gets blocked by an accident, the system instantly reopens the closed section, rerouting trains to avoid any disruptions. This is how G.8032 quickly handles failures while keeping the network stable. Now let's move on to the configuration side. Here's an example of how to configure G.8032 on a Cisco device. Switch, config, #ERP ring 1 switch, config ERP ring, #RAPS channel 4094 switch, config ERP ring, #protection port G1/1 switch, config ERP ring, #control port G1/2 switch, config ERP ring, #ERP ring enable. In this example, we define an Ethernet ring protection (ERP) ring with the ERP ring command. The RAPS channel is the VLAN used for sending the control messages, while the protection port is where the RPL is configured. The control port is used to send and receive the ring automatic protection switching (APS) messages that monitor the health of the network. In conclusion, G.8032 is essential for maintaining efficient and loop-free operations in ring-based Ethernet networks. Its ability to provide fast recovery and ensure redundancy makes it a key protocol for high-availability environments. For CCIE candidates and network engineers, understanding how to implement G.8032 and fine-tune its configuration is vital for real-world scenarios and exam success.